Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. This is the third video wherein I would be discussing about the trade setup which we got on GBPUSD. So let me bring up my annotation to you. So this is 1, 2, and 3. These were the three levels which were uh, identified by this my toolkit in the morning. So as you can see, if we zoom in, the purpose of this tool is to, if you hover your mouse over this one, it will say look for an upthrust or test of a breakdown. So we got both. This particular uh, level started from this price level. As you can see, price started revolving around it. Again, it revolved and it stuck. And it tried to break the resistance, but it failed. In every attempt, it failed, and then it came back, and again, this was the last low volume pullback. And by this bar or this bar would have been idle entry and stop above this one and price sink in. So if we talk about this particular trade, it yielded us 171 points all in all. Then after that, we had this support level, which was drawn from this particular level, price level. See the beauty of this levels. You will see here it is respecting it. It tried to rally but failed. There was no whatsoever buying to take this market up upwards. That's the reason we had a yellow printing bar. A yellow bar was printed. So this yellow bar means there is a trend shift taking place, a trend change, or a price will continue its previous trend. So this was a trend change situation given the context where the price is in at this particular point. Then we have a downward breakdown. And after this breakdown, you see price tried one, twice, thrice, but could not hold above this level. We got an upthrust at this particular point and then a fall after this one. Then, so if you look at this closely, you're looking at high volume of supply as well as high volume of demand. So this kind of behavior, when it happens in you can say a tight range, this is normally referred to as a redistribution kind of thing. A distribution some might have occurred over here. That's the reason we have a 171 point fall. And then this is the redistribution taking place. This is how Wyckoff 21st Wyckoff in 21st century has been analyzed, because if you start many I've seen many traders struggling with schematic survey, there is preliminary supply, there is phase one testing, where is UTARD, where is upspring or LPS, last point of contact, or last point of supply, or last point of demand, blah blah blah. So that makes a trader apply Wyckoff on a very, like, you have, but traders keep on jumping from one time frame to another time frame. Sometimes they get a good schematic on a 1 hour time frame, and when they drop down to the trading time frame, either 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30, whatever their trading time frame is. So they find it very difficult to do the analysis based on. And there is a one, like, it's a fact, a normal trader spends 80 plus percent of his time observing and finding trades on the trading time frame. And the rest of the 20%, he keeps tracks of the trend while trading on a trading time frame and concentrating and finding trades on a trading time frame. So this makes traders' task easier. The one thing I would like to say is like about the reason I'm speaking slowly is that there are many people who are non native English speaking person. So those people, they use what do you say, Google Translator to translate or get the translations. So having said that, this is a redistribution taking place. After that, we have a sell-off which was confirmed by this one. That means whatever this demand took was here. It was nothing but a last effort to take the market upwards. Why? Because it is it tried to came above, or it tried to come above this one, which is with not a logical spring. This was the first sign. Second sign, a collapse after that one. So by this time, after this thing, I was clear the direction of the day was in the selling. Though on a daily time frame we have a weak demand. That means a weak demand, and this kind of situation, it leads to lower prices and even weak supply. Weak supply and weak demand, that means daily time frame there was no effort to take the market upwards, and weak supply means there is supply, price might follow the downward direction. So having said that, I got an opportunity over here. This was a breakdown, a test, and a yellow candle, which is my favorite trend change or price continuation. If I hover my mouse over this one, you could see. One second, let me get rid of the drawings. You could see trend change or price will continue its previous trend. So I got all in all 170 points over there on the close of this candle, 130. This was a very excellent day. And then after that, again the same thing happened. Price again tried to rally as it tried to break the support, which is now in terms of support, it has become into got converted into resistance, and this was a failure. Again, this was a failure, which was clear and which was evident by this supply and this one trend continuation or trend change. And this was the fall of the market, and it made a new low. So this is how you should analyze the market, and it helps you in identifying market as it is being traded by institutional traders. So now after that, what happened? We got another support level drawn from this particular price level, wherein there was interest of smart money or composite operator. So as soon as this bar was printed, this horizontal line plotted, and at the end of the line, you can see the price of this particular level. So what happened? We went down. There is minuscule demand, effort. This was the last effort to take the market upwards. But this effort was encountered by, uh, if you hover your mouse over this triangle, supply. That means whatever the effort of demand was there into the market, this thing made, and this particular bar has eaten away all the supply. So this bar, there are three or four types of bar which you should look out for. Uh, that would be like those who are purchasing this thing, they would be getting 1 or 2 hour training video how to trade use this thing based on the structural point of view. So this bar was my entry, and I entered on the close of this bar, and this is 230 points. So 230 points here, 130 points here, and somewhere 171. So that makes 400 points plus or minus. So plus or minus 400 points, and I had made a group of 300 points daily for GBPUSD and Euro USD. So this is what GBPUSD was today. Excellent day. Every like for if you ask me what is this, this is distribution. This is distribution because every distribution is ending in upthrust. Every distribution is ending in upthrust, and then and at the end of the day, you can see this is the last effort or either extreme effort, and then the result was in. So distribution and accumulation, I consider them as struggle leading to resolve. So uh, this is my analogy of trading. If there is a struggle, then there has to be some resolve. Resolve either maybe in terms of direction or downward direction. So whatever the struggle is, at the end of the struggle, it makes itself clear whether which side has the greater power to pull the price toward itself. Either supply would be greater or either demand would be greater to take the market upwards. So this was a small video, and after this I would be uploading Euro USD, and from tomorrow onwards I'll try my level best to give you levels well in advance so that you can, so aspiring people who want to learn this thing, because this is the next generation trading tool, and after a year or so or 2 or 3 or 5 years you would be trading. This is the future of trading because I haven't seen anything or no one uh, i- tried or came this much closer to code what Wyckoff course is if you're intended to. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you're interested in these things and if you want to explore the opportunity of learning consistently by way of this Wyckoffian tape trading toolkit version 155 and uh, why it's auto wise wave price and volume, please do get in touch with me. You have like in description you'll get my Telegram link and Telegram group link and Telegram ID. So and if apart from this, if you have any questions, you can uh, ask them in my comment box. I'll try to respond it in best possible manner. Thanks a lot for watching this video.